Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode has this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a military tactical polo shirt that you can use however you guys want. But first thing first, I'm going to open the product to show you guys what's included inside first. So when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So let's open it up. So this is basically what the polo shirt looks like, if you can see. Definitely looks pretty nice. The material on here feels really nice as well. They mentioned that material on here should be quick drying, so that way if you guys sweat a lot, if you guys get wet, then you guys don't have to worry about it taking a long time to dry up, which is pretty nice. Alright, so this is basically what the shirt looks like in the front, and this is what it looks like this side right here. Let me actually put it on to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so once you guys put it on, this is basically what the shirt looks like. So if you guys purchase the shirt itself, you definitely want to do the measurement to make sure you guys get the correct size. But this is the one that we got right here, and this is a large. So you can see this is what it looks like in the front. Here's the side. Here's the back, and here's the other side right here. So when you look at the slide right here, they do have two slots for you to actually put pens in here if you guys want to. So let me show you guys what I mean. So you just slide in your pen right here. So that's one right there, and then the other one right here. That's actually really cool how they give you guys the option to put a pen right here, or you can put your tactical pen here as well. On the other side right here, they actually have a spot for you to actually put in the patch, which is not included. You do need to have your own patch or purchase your own one if you want to put it on here. The overall shirt itself definitely feels really nice. It's not like super stretchable, but it definitely feels really nice. And if you guys want to unbuckle it or rebuckle it, you can definitely do all that on here as well. So when we remove the tag itself, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like in the front right here. Very nice little collar option as well to make it look professional, especially if you guys want to use it as a uniform for your workplace. Only thing that I actually wish that they had on this polo shirt is the fact that maybe have like a little pocket here or right here, so you just have access to put stuff as well if you guys want to. But other than that recommendation, everything about the shirt itself definitely feels pretty nice. Also, one thing that I should mention about their underarm area right here, the material that they use on here, it is breathable, so if you guys sweat a lot, you don't have to worry about that either. And also another thing that I want to mention is if you guys look at the slide right here, they have this hem split as well that's included. That will actually give you guys that very nice look to it. You can see right there. And same thing for our side as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself in terms of how to use it and what's on here. Now that we can unboxing and testing out the actual product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that this polo shirt in particular, it is pretty worth it if you guys do want one. Especially if you guys are trying to look for like a polo shirt for maybe for work or for anything similar to that, then these are pretty nice to get. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to use one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.